Hi, today we're making a white bean bruschetta salad. In Italy, bruschetta is a hearty country bread that's drizzled with olive oil, then rubbed with either garlic or sometimes tomatoes. We're taking those same vibrant flavors today and incorporating them into an easy and filling salad. We're going to get started by chopping up some basil. With our basil, we're going to line up our individual basil leaves right on top of each other. Maybe like 4 or 5. Then we're going to roll them up. And then slice in the opposite direction from the roll. All right, I'm going to do that again with the rest of the leaves. Going to pile them on top of each other. I think I'll do the little leaves separately. And then I'm going to roll all of them up in a little log. Then slice in the opposite direction. And you can do this with all different kinds of herbs, not just basil, if you want really even slices. All right, and lastly, I'm probably just gonna slice these ones together. So they're so little. All right. Then I'm gonna grab my bowl of white beans. This is 1 can of white beans that's been drained and rinsed. I'm gonna add my basil, a tomato. My ratios are a little bit different just because of preferences. My olive oil, my garlic clove, that's minced, my balsamic, and my green onion. I'm going to stir that all up so that it's fully covered with the oil and the balsamic, as well as all of our herbs. Okay, so next I'm just going to let this sit for maybe 10 or so minutes, and then I'm going to put it on top of our greens and add a little bit of shredded cheese on top, and then it'll be done. Thanks for joining us this week. I hope you enjoyed.